Dear Sherry, I've made chocolates before, but this is my first year making them with cannabis oil. I'm using MCT coconut oil. I strain the oil with cheesecloth, but I still have sediment in the bottom. It does mix in when shaking. Is this just debris, or chlorophyll, or trichomes? Oh, and by the way, thanks to one of your videos, I reinfused one batch of oil that was not strong enough. I was contemplating tossing it out, but now it is wow strong. Thanks again, and I'm looking forward to your reply. Sediment in your oil or butter? That's a great question. Before I get to the answer, just want to remind you all, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. And be sure to hit that like button too if you get value out of these videos. So, sediment in your infused cannabis oil or butter is a very common issue. It looks ugly, but it really isn't harmful, although it might add a little bit more green flavor to your oil or butter. What is it? Most likely it's just tiny bits of plant material that's left over. So that's what it is. How to get rid of it? I like to use a fine mesh yogurt strainer, and there'll be a link in the comments below if you don't know what that is or where to get one, but that will be there. It's a very fine mesh, and that will take out all the sediment if you want a prettier aesthetic. But leaving it in won't hurt anything. Hope this helps. Eat your weed.